consistently remain above 30, there could be a probability that price will go up higher, and how much higher can be anybody's guess. Again, let me tell you, it's more of a masala than of a news, that when 1974 price touched 60, they are almost equal to 216 cents of today's price because of inflation numbers. When price touched 46, this is almost equivalent to 90 cents because of inflation numbers, because that time inflation was much lower. So as a commodity, it can be any number. However, this when trend and the general circumstances in which we are in the world, they are not different than what they were at that point of time.
Thank you. So at 46 cents, what would be the production cost, refining cost?
Well, at 46 cents or 50 cents or 30 cents, whatever the refining cost numbers will be, it can be simply calculated by the fact that each cent today cost me about $10. Yeah.
Electricity in order to reduce the your power investment or power expenditure. Could you please give me some details on what kind of capacity you are looking at power at your proposed Kandla port?
See, the utilities range which is now used for the power plants, cogeneration plants. The phase 1 will put 5 megawatt back pressure turbine. The entire steam is used for refining. Phase 2 will add condensing turbine of 10 megawatt, so that we will be in a position to export about 12 to 15 megawatt of power. And if there is a situation where we will not be in a position to do raw refining for some reason, some policy or some prices or something, at least the power plant will continue to work. 10 megawatt power will definitely be there. The reason of going into power A is it will bring down the cost of refining, which we have experienced in Simboli 3 units. B, there is imported coal available at port from Indonesia, South Africa, and lignite is also available. So we are nearer to the source of the fuel. So that makes sense for the. So 15 megawatt is the power which we are looking at. We expand further capacity, we will add to 27, 28 megawatt. That's a different story. But phase 2 definitely another 10 megawatt will add.
So where do you see the sugar prices next?
No comments. I stopped talking about the sugar prices, from last 2-3 months, honestly.
We live very near to Rishi Bhavan.
There's the market forces which will decide,
It's only going up, the market forces are only going up.
No, because there's a shortage. All of us know about it. There's a shortage.
Despite government releasing so much of sugar,
It's a simple function of demand and supply. Our wish list will not work on that.
when is the levy sugar price going to be decided?
No idea.
It's already delayed. So, thank you very much for your coming and having an interaction.